Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Christmas gnome. To start off with this, you want to start right here on your paper, and I'm just going to make an oval shape like this. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to draw the hat. So I'm going to draw a little line that comes over here, and then a little line that comes over here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up, and then it's going to kind of curve like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw another line that goes up, and it's going to do the same thing, and it's just going to kind of curve up and come to a little point right there. Then at the end of here, I'm going to draw a little circle so it looks like there's a bell on the end. Now, starting right here at the end of the hat, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then I'm going to make another one right here that's just going to curve down, and this is going to form the beard. Then I'm going to draw some little curved lines like this on the beard, and this is just going to help make it look like it's, got a lot of hair. I'm going to draw these lines a little bit different lengths on here, just so it looks a little bit more realistic. Now for the body. So starting right here, we're going to give him a really short body. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. Then I'm just going to connect these lines. And then I'm going to draw another line right across here. Now for the arms, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then in. And then another one right here that just goes down and then in. And then for the hand, I'm just going to put a little curved line on the end of each arm. Then for the feet, I'm just going to start here and draw a line that just kind of curves and comes back up here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here for the other foot. Just real simple. Now, I want to add some details onto the hat. So I'm just going to make some little lines that just kind of curve right across here. And this will just kind of give it some stripes and just make the hat look a little bit more interesting. And that way we don't just have a plain hat. So I'm going to draw these curved lines all the way up here, trying to keep them about the same space apart all the way along here. Now the last thing I want to do is give him a couple presents. So right here, I'm just going to start right here by the hand, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, down, and then it's going to come back here like a rectangle. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over towards the foot. Then over here, I'm just going to draw a little rectangle like this. And then a little square shape underneath it. I'll make this present a little bit taller. Then I'm just going to draw two lines down on each present for the ribbon. And then I'm just going to make kind of like two upside down triangle shapes on top of here for the bows. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Christmas gnome. There's lots of different things you can add on here, put different details on the shirt, on the hat up here, you can make the beard longer, there's lots of things. But there you go, I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.